So day one when we arrived, we went to Hickory Wind Ando. It is owned by Makoto Ando-san. Now he's a very well-known wildlife photographer.
The fiery one.
Coming back to Hokkaido is always in our plan, and we wanted to see Hokkaido in its, during autumn, the other month where there's less snow, and enjoy the nature part of Hokkaido.
Yeah, sounds good.
Hey, hello dear.
Wow! I think we are very blessed to given a chance to do this. The whole lake to ourselves is very private, very special. It's a great memory for 4 of us here as a family with our kids.